I used to play this game so much as a kid. Instead of like having friends at school, I would just go home and talk to my Animal Crossing villagers. Well, like I had like one good friend. But then I would just go home and play Animal Crossing and Harvest Moon. Come on, come on! Get down! And I used to play every single day. When I got home from school, I'd play every single day and check on my villagers for like years. For years. When I was a kid, my brother and I used to write like the worst messages to villagers. Like stuff like, go die! Right? To a villager you hate. Oops. I would never say that today though, to one of my villagers. Yeah, everyone did that, right? Brother Watson used to threaten to delete my Animal Crossing town and I would cry. I would cry! And then I would cry because he would start to hit villagers that I like while I'm watching him play. Because at some point we shared a town and he had his village, his house right next to mine. So sometimes he would beat the villagers